Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone in the market soon. According to the information, inside this smartphone you are going to get a great DSLR camera with 24GB RAM. Yes, we are talking about Nokia X100 Max 5G smartphone. The company says that even the iPhone will pale in comparison to its attractive looks and powerful features. If you also want to buy this smartphone, then watch the video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia X100 Max 5G. Display. In Nokia X100 Max 5G, you are going to get a 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display, which will come with 2K resolution. Apart from this, it is going to get 120Hz refresh rate and 290Hz touch sampling rate. Well, in this you will also get in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating. Camera setup. In this Nokia phone you are going to get triple camera sensor setup, in which 108-megapixel primary lens is available with OIS support. Apart from this, there will be a 16-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and a 5-megapixel wide sensor. And if we talk about selfie camera, it will have a 32-megapixel front camera. Processor. Talking about the processor, this powerful device of Nokia will get power from Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. And if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see Android 14 operating system in it. Battery backup. Talking about the battery, this smartphone is going to come with a massive 6500 mAh battery. Also, 55-watt fast charging support will be seen in it. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of this phone, the price of its base variant, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant can be around 39,000 rupees. And talking about the launch date, a powerful phone from Nokia is going to be launched in a few months.